Okay, good morning everyone. I'm Andrew and I don't want to work anymore. Here on my channel I'm sharing the ways that I'm making extra income either through trading on the Nasdaq or passive income investments like ETFs into yield max funds. I have yet to make a video on any of my yield max funds, but we'll carry on with our morning trade on the Nasdaq. So we'll minimize, oh, that's not a minimize. There we go. We'll start, actually, you know what? Let's look at my strategy, which is the first presented fair value gap. And it's an ICT concept. And I've been tracking it since December 9th, back testing, and then forward testing since about the beginning of February. And so I've been tracking the win, losses, and the number of points. And you can see here we have 55 trades and we're positive 1142 points. And out of 55 trades, I have won 31. So quick math, 31 divided by 55 trades is a 56% win-loss ratio. So it's profitable, but not crazy profitable, but profitable nonetheless. I do make other trades throughout the day, but I only film the first presented fair value gap here so far, while I still have to go to work. So it's 6:28 here on the West Coast. Market is going to open up in New York in 2 minutes. So let's get to work and get our numbers here. So right here on TradingView, I have on the 1 minute chart, we got NQ, March contract, and we're going to go down here to the bottom right hand corner where we're going to make sure we're on regular trading hours. And we will take yesterday's closing price of 21,213 and drag it over to CMC markets. And what did I say that number was? 22,000, 21,213, 21,213, 21,213. So that's down here. We always make him orange. Let's talk about the morning opening gap. What else do we want? We want now go back to TradingView, electronic trading hours, and we're going to mark out our highs and lows for London. London 21,250, 21,250. So we're already above London. And we make that one blue. Okay. And 3 seconds. And we're open. I also want to mark. Oh, I don't know why I did that. I'm not a huge fan of CMC markets, but I've been using it since the very beginning, over a year now, so I'm comfortable with it. So that's our opening price. We can see we got these equal lows here. We got some equal highs right here. These are all, oh, I don't like this one because this high is higher than this one. But we'll keep them in mind. We got these relatively equal highs up here. Let's see what other numbers we got. What is this? That's New York lunchtime high yesterday at 21,407. 21,407. Yeah, which is these guys right here. Yeah. Okay. So we got some objectives we can look at. This 250 line actually is we'll draw it again, is right here on these guys, the lows. Okay, we're set. We're waiting for our first fair value gap, and I think we'll come down into this range first before heading higher. Let's spread this open. I have a feeling we're gonna come up into this gap here, somewhere in here. Let's see what we can find. We'll shade it out and then go to a different time frame. We'll blow this up so we can keep an eye on it. Let's try a 5-minute chart. Yeah, we can move easily up into this fair value gap right here. That would have been an easy objective today. So what else we got? What does our 15-minute chart look like? Yeah, we got these gaps here. Market's been pretty volatile. I've been on side with a lot of my trades, but then my stop loss just not big enough, or I've been moving it too soon and getting cheap with it. I got really close to, I liked these highs yesterday and I was trying to get in to get short on them, but I moved my stop loss too soon, somewhere around this candle, and got taken out. That would have been great. Yeah, I think I got on this guy, but then these two got me. C'est la vie, right? Account's still looking good. So we're just kind of consolidating today in the beginning. No clear direction right now. I do like the 10-second chart. I find that when you see gaps in the 10-second chart, they always get filled. Right? So that one got filled now. And then I know for sure we're going to come back down to fill this one. They don't get left open very often. Hope everyone's doing good today. What do we got? Wednesday? No, it's Thursday. Oh, thank God. One more day. Okay, looks like we got a break in direction here. Let's draw out our gap. Still got lots of time. We'll get our trading panel ready to go for a long. And gonna go 5 points below this guy. So that's 341. That would make it 336. Okay, and we got 10 seconds and this gap is still open. So we will go in on this trade. There we go. Okay. Now the target is 1.5. So our stop loss is 38.5. That is our risk. 38.5 times 1.5 equals, no, something went wrong. 38.5 times 1.5 equals 57. So we will target 57. Take profit will be 57 points. If we don't get stopped out here, since it seems to be doing that a lot to me lately. Yeah. $38.5. I feel like I'm gonna get stopped out on the classic. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we still have this opening range gap here. And I'm gonna go back in on a short. If we come back up into this gap. You know what? I'm gonna hold tight. Not gonna jump into any more trades. Better to wait to invert this fair value gap. Or this is the first presented one up here. We might just, you know, come down here and it's just not letting me in. So we'll update our spreadsheet. For another loss of 38 points. So as you can see, we have the win column, the lose column, and we have to put the negatives in here. So when we highlight all of them, it kind of subtracts the negatives from the positives, and we are still positive 1,104 points after 56 trades dating back to December 9th. But February has been, it feels like it's been pretty ugly. Especially lately. Let's see here. since February, $19 trades. We're still positive. 19 trades and 10 wins. So it's still good. 10 divided by 19 is still 52% for the month of February. Okay, so we have swept Asia's low now, and we're reaching for this. This is yesterday's closing price. We are just breaking down. Let's see on the 5-minute chart. I'm feeling pretty bad. I kicked my dog in the face by accident coming back from the gym this morning. Here, coming into the office, I couldn't see him laying down in the doorway, and I stepped into the office, and I think I booted him in the nose, or who knows. But he's still here, and he's forgiven me, right, Flynn? Yeah, I've been pretty ugly in the markets. Let's see what we got for the watch list. We got MicroStrategy, Palantir, Estee Lauder, Albemarle, PayPal, Comstock, Baba, Cooper Standard, and MSTY. MSTY is my income play, which is based off of MicroStrategy, or just referred to as strategy now. And how are we doing today? Strategy's up, Palantir is up, everybody's up except PayPal is down a little bit, Comstock's down 1%. Wow, Alibaba's down today. And Cooper Standard's down today. And Misty, based on MicroStrategy, is up. So kind of mixed bag today. Let's go back to the chart. Are we going to reverse here? So now that we've swept this, I can remove it. What does the daily look like now? So yeah, I'm still looking for a green day today. I think if I want to get back in, I'm going to delete this. I should trade off of another fair value gap. So we got this one, and we got this inversion here. Made fair value gaps all the way down. So yeah, too soon to go in for a reversal. Let's see with the 4 hour. Yeah, it looks like it wants to come back. It's gotta hold tight, ladies and gentlemen. I think we want to move up, but we're just not there yet. And I'm just going to close the video now. 10 to 7. I'm going to walk Flynn. And I don't see a setup I like just yet. So we'll keep an eye on it and maybe get into a reversal later today. Okay, you guys have a good day.